Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to share the news with you that I started with a new company called Farmasi. So this is the catalog that is there. This is the back of it. So basically Farmasi is a European company that started in the US 2 years ago. So it's pretty much brand new. It's an international beauty and personal care manufacturer. So they sell makeup, they sell skincare, they sell different things for cleaning the house. I'll get into what I purchased because I actually placed an order because I wanted to get familiar with the products before I start sharing them with you guys. I don't want to sell something that I myself haven't tried or don't believe in. So that's why I wanted to do this for you guys. So let's get into the unboxing so I can show you guys what that is, and then in later videos I'll talk about the company and if you guys want to join, because anybody can join. It's not where you have to sign a resume or anything like that. You pretty much can sign up for 20 bucks. That's all that it costs. So, but we'll talk about that later. So the items that I purchased, I'm actually going to do I'm going to show you everything that I've got. Okay, so the first items that I got, I wanted to get skincare because that's really the main focus for me is skincare. I'm not really wearing a lot of makeup until the mask ban is gone. So once that happens, then I'll start wearing makeup again. But I haven't worn foundation in a year. The only thing I wear is concealer, eyebrows, mascara, as far as makeup goes. So I will soon though. That's going to happen. So I went with the Candelua line. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but this is good for dry skin, sensitive skin, more so winter prone skin. So I'm going to be completely honest. I already tried this. I like the face tonic. That's pretty good. I also like the face wash, but the cream, it made my skin kind of itchy when I did it the first couple times. That's normal. Like when I try a new skincare line, it does irritate my skin a little bit because it's like, what are you putting on my face? What's going on? So it was hydrating. I just don't think it was the best option for my skin. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna talk real. Like if it didn't work for me, it didn't work for me. After like the itchiness went away, my skin looked great. Like it looked awesome. But I just, it was like irritating a little bit. Today, cause I got this box yesterday and I was like really excited. I wanted to open it. So I wanted to try at least another face cream to talk to you guys about it. They have an aloe line. So this is the Aloe Cream. And I opened this up and I tried it today and I love this one. So for my dry skin for the winter, this is definitely a go-to for me. I should have got the aloe to begin with, but now I know, and now you know. So if you're unsure, I would say get the aloe first. And the aloe is actually a little bit less expensive too. I'm going to list the prices. No, well, I'll list the website and then you guys can look at the prices because sometimes there's sales, different things like that. So yeah, the aloe. And the cool thing about the aloe line is they tell you the percentage of how much aloe is in the product. So just the cream itself has 53%. If you see the door moving, you already know it's myrrh. He's in and out, in and out. Cats just want doors open all the time. I don't know what it is about that, but anyway, so that's the cream for me. Oh, the other thing that I purchased with this first order, so my first order was the Candelua line because I wanted to try it, and then I ordered a eyelash curler because I needed one. So the eyelash curler that they have, I would recommend for a young girl that's just getting into makeup or somebody that has sensitive lashes, because I didn't feel this at all when I was doing my when I was doing the thing, you know, like how you feel it sometimes it pulls your lashes. This didn't do that. It didn't hurt at all. The only thing that it doesn't do is it doesn't curl my eyelashes as much as my expensive one does, but it didn't hurt me. So if you're looking for an eyelash curler that doesn't hurt, try that one. That one's actually pretty good. I'm trying to think what order I want to go because I bought random stuff. Like I wanted a little bit of everything, you know. Let me stick to skincare, and I'll do makeup last. So if you want to look at makeup, just wait. I bought the Aloe scrub. Everything that I'm going to talk about now I haven't looked at or anything except for one thing, which I'll talk about. So this is the Aloe scrub. There was a lot of good reviews on the Aloe scrub, and see, this one's got 50%. So this is pretty much aloe peeling. Hold on, let me read this. Aloe scrub is ideal for tired, dull skin, enriched with olive oil. Dr. Tuna Aloe scrub reveals a brighter, here comes Marquette, more radiant face. Contains vitamin E for a youthful, glowing skin. Okay, I saw aloe peeling. I don't know why I thought it was like a mask, but it's not. It's a scrub. That's what I wanted. I wanted the scrub. I think they have a mask too, so they have a whole line. When I mean line, I mean everything. Let me show you the book so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, the skincare is on the back and it's upside down. So this is the Kahlua line. So again, you see there's extra products that I did not even get. I did get this cream though. This one's coming. This is supposed to be really good for dry skin. Really good for eczema, so I really want to try it and see if that works. Where is it? There's a tea tree line. Here's the aloe. So this is all the stuff just for aloe. So I want to try their face wash. See, they have a mask right here. So the mask is right there. But yeah, they got a little bit of everything, which is nice. Hold on back. Okay, so we talked about Kahlua, we talked about aloe. They have a rose line. So I wanted to try the Pure Rose Clay Mask. This one is hydrating and purifying. So this is what this one looks like. It's a little guy, but it'll probably last, honestly, because I have a couple different masks from other brands that are about that size, and I always end up throwing them out because I can't go through them fast enough. So this is a good size, and I like that a lot of their products they put when it expires too. So that's pretty cool. Like some of these expire like a long time from now. Like this face tonic expires August 2024. So it gives you like a lot of room to try it. Let's see, what else did I get? Oh, I was talking about the tea tree line. I got the tea tree soap because I was watching a lot of girls. I did a lot of, I wouldn't say research, but I watched a lot of videos. I looked at different reviews and different things like that before I even went with this company. But a lot of girls were using the tea tree soap to clean their brushes. So I want to try that and see how that works. Because if my brushes can get cleaner faster, that'd be great. So I'm gonna try that, and then that'll be good for if I break out. Let's see. I'm gonna stick to skincare before I get into the other stuff. I might be done. Oh, here's one, and this is how they packaged a lot of their stuff too. So this one is the Micellar cleansing water. So again, I only wear makeup like in the eye area pretty much. So when I come home, I'm gonna use this and then just do like a quick face wash. So I wanted to try that to see how that works, because I still use my Tarte Shape Tape, or I use my Dose of Colors and my e.l.f. and I mix them. So this is real life. This is what I use every single day, because this is too light and this is too dark. So I put them together and that's what I get. So once I run out of that, I'll probably try the makeup here, because hopefully everything will be back to normal by then. Let's talk hair. So they have shampoos, conditioners, different things. So I wanted to try their Keratin line. So here's the Keratin Shampoo. Let's see what it actually looks like. So this is their Keratin Shampoo. I got a smaller size to see if I like it. Actually, I don't know if there's another size, but I got this one. This one, I know that there's a bigger size, but again, I wanted to try it. This is the Keratin Conditioning Hair Mask. So I want to try that one, because right now I'm using, I am using this stuff, and I got it at Big Lots. So it's working pretty good. This is the Keratin. Right now in my hair, I'm using this one, Curl Perfection. Can't find it anywhere, so if anybody can find it, let me know. But I wanted to finish up with that one and then use that other one with this stuff. There's a spray. They package stuff really good. I really am impressed with how they packaged everything. This is the Keratin spray, so I want to put my stuff and then use the spray and see how that works. And then they have a detangling brush. So this is the detangling brush. I want to open this because I've been, like when I opened this pack, when I opened it up and I was like, ooh, look at everything. Everything's packaged pretty well. I wanted to use this today, but I wanted to open it on camera. So this is how the detangling brush looks like. The bristles are not like, they don't have like the little bolas, like the little balls that can like fall out. This is like a solid piece, if that makes sense. I don't know if I'm making any sense. And then there's different sizes. It kind of goes, looks like grass. So I'm going to try that, see how that works. But I like the shape of it already. That's how I kind of brush my hair anyway. When I part it and then it dries normally. Let's see. I'm getting to the makeup, guys. Almost there. Let's see. Oh, I also got, they have nail polish too. So I bought the Farmasi Nail Care Calcium Nail Hardener because I want to at least strengthen my nails, because right now they are pretty brittle from work, but they're getting better. So I want to at least start putting a clear coat so that they can get stronger. And they have Mr. Wipes. Mr. Wipes is more of a home care. So they have laundry detergent. They have detergent for just your whites. They have cleaner for your house. But I wanted to try the liquid dishwashing. And I was perusing the website and I saw that they had frosted juniper, which is more of like a winter scent. They came out in the winter time, but it's still on the website. So I was like, ooh, I love juniper and I love anything frosted. So I wanted to get this to try it. Let me see what it smells like. This one was wrapped up too, but I just kind of like took the wrapping off to make this a little bit easier. This smells like some of my candles. This just smells like a fresh, yeah, like fresh juniper. Like that's literally what it smells like. I'm gonna wash my dishes after I get off of here. That smells really good. Enjoy the cozy winter scent of limited frosted juniper Mr. Wipes Bio Home line. I think the other, like the main scent is like a lemon, like just like a fresh lemon scent, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. You can use on hot or cold water. It's powerful content, removes all types of dirt and stains. So we're gonna try it, and it's actually good for your skin too and your hands. So yeah, we're gonna try it and see how it works. See if it's good. And okay, makeup time. So they have a bunch of different mascaras. They have a vegan mascara. They have a volumizing mascara. They have a mascara for curling your eyelashes. They have all kind of mascaras, but I wanted to get the Zen one because this one was like the #1 best review. And the bristles on this one is like, it's not the, hold on, because I can't, my words are escaping me right now. The bristles on this one are not like a brush. They have they're not like the fiber brush, they have the silicone. Yeah, so the Zen one has a silicone brush, and I think I don't know, I just think I would like that one better, so I wanted to try that. So that's this one. This one's pretty good. And guys, if you don't know, you want to change out mascara every 3 to 6 months, really more so 3 to 6 months, 3 months. just because you're dipping your eye. You're dipping your eye. You're dipping your eye. It's kind of disgusting when you think about it. So you want to just protect your eyes, because I work in optical and I've seen a thing or two. So you definitely want to protect your eyes. I wanted to try their eye pencil, because I spend a lot of money on Clinique for their eyeliners. So I wanted to try theirs. I just got the simple black one, and I think I just ruined it. Yeah, I did. I opened it and it looks, you see it? It's like crooked. My bad. But it's a twist up, so it's a twisty, so I can fix that later. But yeah, I wanted to see how theirs is. A lot of their stuff is, I'm gonna say this wrong, ophthalmology tested, optometrist tested, like it's safe for the eyes. So again, let me try it out, see how that is. And I also got the Glow Highlight Palette. So this is the way that it looks like. It's not huge, it's a good size, it's really pretty. Let's see what this one looks like. Again, I haven't opened this. I wanted to open it on camera for you guys. I always find it impossible to open these type of packages without like ripping it. Oh, look at that. They pack up everything so nice. Look, got that on there. So I'm gonna be completely honest, I'm probably gonna give this away because I don't really highlight. Well, this is really pretty. Well, this is really nice. So this is the highlight palette. This isn't really, the colors are more bronze, champagne, and like pink. I don't know if it's coming off like that on, like that. The way that I have it angled is the true colors. This is showing it a little lighter. This is how it actually is. So I would say probably darker skin on this one, like tan skin. I think you would like this one. I think there might be one that's lighter too. So I got that one. And then for me, because I'm actually going to try this, and I think this is the last, yeah. Look at how they use bubble wrap. So they really want to make sure that their products are good during transit. So let's see. Last but not least, the Peach Palette. Here's the packaging on this one. And then this is how this looks like. This one I think comes with the mirror. Yeah, this one comes with the mirror, so there's a mirror there. And then this is the Peach Palette here. Let me see if I can get the true colors. Boom, right there. Those are the true colors right there. So you got your contour, highlight, and blush. And I just thought, you know what, I could do eye stuff, I could do eye makeup, I can do the boom, boom, boom here. And this is a good compact to just take on the go. And it's a lot less expensive, a lot less expensive than the Peach Palette of the other brand. Too Faced? I think it was Too Faced. I think theirs is a lot more than this one. So that is everything that I've gotten so far. I'm probably going to get more because there's other things on the website that I want to try. Like, I want to try the regular one of this too. Well, let me see how that one works, and then I'll get back to you on that. But yes, if you guys have any questions about any Farmasi items, I'm going to link my website so you guys can see everything. All the lipsticks, all the, oh, the matte lipstick is good. I did try it. There was a sample in our kit that we got, and I tried it on one of my lives on Facebook, and that was really good. If you guys want to join my Facebook, I have a lot of information about Farmasi on my Facebook. Again, comments below. I'll add you. Let's get together. Let's be friends. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. And then, again, any questions, anything in the comments, I will be there. All right.